my name is Fong. Today I want to show the page redirection in our sample application. So this is the main URL configuration file. So we see the second path. So we left empty in the row, and this is the redirect view function. So we redirect to this URL meetup. So this is the index page of our application. So we can see the example here. So when here is a meetup, when we left it empty, so it will redirect to the index page, which is, so we see the second example. So this is the function, and this is the register for the meetups. So we can see here it will return the redirect to another URL, and the URL name for form registration, and this is the argument, and the URL name you can refer to another URL configuration file. So you can see here the name form registration. So if you root to meetup slot, the meetup slot is the title of the meetups, and when we execute the registration function, go to the success, and we can see the example here. So this is the example. So we register for the meetup, and here we will show the register successfully, and you can see here you redirect to the GG, which is the title of the meetups, and /success, which means we are registered successful. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Anderson Ong. Now I would like to talk about session management for our sample application. So how to visit the admin page in the Django website? You can reach the admin page by entering admin/. After that, you will see a login field for admin. I get this login field here because of my URL file in the project folder. Here is the path for admin. And this is simply using some built-in feature in Django. Django has entire built-in administration path and dashboard, which you can use to administer your model data. We can see that the admin page has no create user button. The reason of that is because the administration area is not made to use by the regular page visitor. The visitor can reach this login screen, but they cannot log in. So how we can create a super user for admin page? We can create a super user for admin page by executing the create super user command with the management file. This will open a prompt that wants us to create a super user. You can simply enter the username, email address, and then a password. When you enter your password, you will not see the character, but it will be registered. After the super user was created, we can restart the server. On the page here, I can log in with my user and the password that I created just now, and then log in. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Lukai Kim. Now I'm present adding database table. Now I run the server first. I present the model first. We got class locations, name address, class participants. We got class meetup. You should definitely have title, organizer email, date. We have slug, model slug field unique equals to true. To ensure that Django will verify that in our meetup table, we will never have more than one meetup with the same slug, Django will prevent this. Then we add the descriptions. We will add the image. locations and participants. After that, we run the make migrations first. As a second step, we run the migrate. We will now apply those migrations, so it will execute those migrations. In the admin side, from the Django import admin plus meetup admin call site register meetup admin. After that, we save it. We run the command run server. We refresh this Django meetup. Call the meetup. We add the first title. We add the organizer email. We add the date. Choose the file, locations, and save it. Now we got the first meeting. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Onzizi. Today I will talk about the form and the form validation. This is the sample application form which create the meeting. First, we import the forms from the Django. After that, we import the meetup from the model. After that, create a class and with the name create form. Inside, we must put the forms model forms. So inside create form must create another class called meta. After that, in the meta, we need 3 variables, which is model, fields, and widgets. So the model, we put the meetup, which is we import just now. After that, the field, we must put what field we need. So you can check in the model Python and put in here. So in this case, we have the depth field. In the depth field, we must create input by us. So we need to use the widgets. Okay, after create the form Python, we go to the views. So in views, first we need to import the form. After that, we place the create form with a variable called the create form. After that, we pass the create form to the front end. So in here, we can just use the form here. After that, we want to call out, we need to use the SQL. So SQL, we can list out the field row by row. If we want to do the form validation, we can go in the view here. So there is a function called isValid. If the user does not meet the rules or in the form, it will return an error message and clear all the form. If success, it will save the data in the meetup. After that, we will return success. So let us test. Okay, after create, it will return a message success. If let's say we just type wrong the email like this, so it will pop out an error message like this. So that's all the form and the form validation. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Django and today I will talk about our sample application which is Django meetup, and today my part is the file uploading part, but now my application is only got image uploading, so it's quite similar with the file uploading, but it's only accepted image only. And okay, now we already chosen the image and now see what would be after it's uploaded. Okay, now you can see the image is already uploaded in here, and now see now we come to see the coding part. Okay, this is a form just now, so we call the form, so we come to the bottom.py, and you can see here the model called image field to upload the image. Okay, that's my part. Thank you.